Yo, 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 check this out. 1964 Datsun on Willis Talk. Pretty color, too. Check that out. Original battery holder, too, by the looks of it. Nice. Simple, but very, very powerful. Considering this is the way, normally I go counterclockwise, but this we will go clockwise. It's just the way it's set up, people. Respect, respect, respect. Ooh. 60. Sweet. Good seats too. Oh, and look at the wood board. And you know, you always see these diamond tool chests. What about that one? Now that's style, that's grace, and that's gorgeousness. Don't find that much. That's another reason why you respect the vehicle and the owners. Fly right in here for a sweet little. Check that out. Does the steering wheel look a little familiar, people? If you recognize it, say something. They even got a little picture book. We're going to randomly flip through it. Check that one. Whoop. The Shadow. I am the Shadow. Oh, that's them bringing it to their home. Ooh, no engine. Wow. Let's see where we go here. Oh, machining. There's a lot of ends. Oh, check it out. Making progress fast there. Let's see. Let's go there. So do whatever you think. Nice. And that's what it looked like before. Wow. Oh, look, there's the wheels. And look, I'm skipping quite a few, so come on down, check it, find it, look for it, search for it, say, I've seen that vehicle, and there's still more, but I am shutting it down.
Yeah, driving at night anymore.
And don't forget, if you like it or you've been here, check this out. Come on down. Till next episode, this is Willis signing off.